welcome the experience sharing of the 39th annual winter grading camp. We are here in Dapoli. The beach is, we can hear the waves of the sea. So we are so close to the beach at the Sea Princess Beach Resort. Today we are on the 5th day of our camp. We are just interviewing and asking for some experiences of all the participants. And now I am going to be speaking to so far Kohai and maybe soon to be Jusal Satyendra. So Jusal, you just completed your 20 fights, the Kyokushinkai, which is a full contact karate. What has been your experience about this camp?
My name is Jasal Satyendra. I'm 14 years old. I'm from grade 8 and I've been doing karate for 8 years right now, and it's definitely been a fun journey, really good journey I would say.
Which was your favorite activity, or what was the favorite part of the camp?
Right now, definitely yesterday when we were doing those activities in the park.
The fitness activities?
Yeah.
Okay.
For example, doing the monkey bar roll and then sliding, how do you say? Lying down and sliding through the 2 ropes which were supporting me. And that rope which is hanging from the top, we had to climb that and then get down. It was fun.
Okay.
And it was good.
Do you think this camp has helped you, and if yes, how?
Definitely. It has helped me like.
Do you also think karate has, what role karate plays in your life?
Uh, Karate, it plays a very important role in my life. Like for example, defending myself from people. Like for example, nowadays in school, a lot of people get bullied, and that too physically, like pushing each other or even like hitting each other, and it can get to a point where you can even end up in the hospital. So I can like defend.
Especially in boys' school, right?
Yeah, defend myself and then avoid getting injured and stuff.
Okay.
And yeah, that's pretty much
Which
it.
dojo do you go to?
Kyokushinkai.
Okay, great. You could share something about your Trihan, under whom you're learning, and also Hanshi Sapan Chakraborty. Anything that you'd like to share?
We have a good Shian. She's a very good teacher. She's like, how do I say? She's been a good teacher. She's she's been through stuff with me for the past 8 years. She's helped me get through stuff. She may have scolded many times, but that's all right. I know that's just to like encourage me to go further and continue my journey. And yeah, the best part about her is that she's just herself, and I like that.
Okay. Us.
Us. Okay, so my name is Megan Gonsalves and I'm 14 years and I study in St. Anne's High School, and this camp has been a very exciting camp for me, and I enjoyed my 25s like hell.
Like hell. So we know that people enjoy hell also.
Yeah.
Okay, no, jokes apart. Tell us something. How has the camp helped you? Does this place, this serene atmosphere, help? How has it played a role?
Over here, during this camp, our stamina and our we get to learn more new things in this camp. I would love to come every year here. I am coming
Attending the camp, yeah.
since 4 years.
So how was this camp different for you?
20 fights.
20 fights, yes. That's our recent one of the Kohais so far, who appeared for her black belt with 20 non-stop fights, and Tameshwari, 4 Tameshwaris. So this is full contact Kyokushinkai karate, and we all are students of Hanshi Sapan Chakraborty, who's 8th Dan, the oldest instructor in the whole of Asia Pacific region. So thank you, Megan. Anything else that you'd like to share?
I would say that do come to this camp. It is just amazing. You'll have fun, 100%.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Us.
Us. Gargi Khire. I'm in St. Joseph's High School. It's on Pashan Road, Pune.
Where? So Gargi, as we understand, I think from your entire school, you are the first girl who has appeared for her black belt. So how is the feeling?
It's very amazing. It has helped me to improve in katas and everything that I wasn't good in. It has helped me become more confident and overcome my fears.
Any message that you would like to give?
I would like to say that it's, once you start doing karate, you eventually develop interest. So,
Who's your instructor?
Shihan Sushant, he encourages us to overcome our fear and do more.
Else, what do you see yourself continuing with karate or stopping at black belt? And also about the camp. Do you think you will come back to the winter grading camp?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, Gargi.
Us.
Us. So, Senpai Sarah D'Souza, you completed your black belt last year and you are back to the camp. What is the reason? Part of the
Mostly
camp
I
again.
came to cheer on my friends since they're giving their grading, motivate them. And since I have a friend here giving her black belt, I came to give her fights as well.
What role karate plays in your life?
For me, it plays a very important role in my life. It has helped me develop my self-confidence. It has helped me work on my stamina and a lot of other things. Like it has helped me maintain my balance.
So, I'll hold on to this word balance. Could you elaborate a little bit on that?
Balance as in my physical activities and my academic activities. Sometimes the academic activities become too much pressure, then it balances out my, yes, that too.
So, do you wish to say that karate helps you become strong from within, like emotionally as well?
Yes, it does.
Okay. How has karate helped you?
Karate helps us in self-defense, say we are attacked or something, and it will help us there.
Okay.
But in our daily routine, it helps us be physically strong as well as mentally strong for whatever we are dealing with in our day-to-day life.
Last year you achieved the overall best performance award, right?
Yes.
Or why is Kyokushinkai different from the others? Anything you'd like to share?
Kyokushinkai karate is a full contact knockdown style, and I feel that this is more knowing the knockdown art is more important than just doing any other art, since this is what will really help us in a street fight.
So we have with us Sarah Parker. I would just ask you to share your experience.
The camp was really nice. Got to learn many new things since there was a gap of 1 year in between due to certain problems. Since I've come, I felt more alive. Like at home, I was all lazy, and since I was in camp, since I've been in camp, I've been waking up early. I've been eating more. My appetite has increased. I have enjoyed. I used to be scared to fight people. I have overcome that fear and I've fought recklessly. And the beach was my favorite part. Practicing on the beach, everything was so fun.
Since how many years are you practicing?
Probably 7-8 years.
How old were you when you came for your first camp?
I was probably 7-8.
Yes, I think you were in your grade 3 at
Yes.
that time, and that time you third standards were not allowed. That's what I remember. And Sarah had taken special permission from her school, and she's an ex-Anite. Sarah, any message you want to give to people? How has karate helped you to face life?
To face
Can you-
life.
yes, to
It
face
taught
life.
me to never give up.
Okay.
It taught me to keep trying till you reach, till you succeed. Anshi is a very nice person. He's jolly, but when it comes to practice, he's very serious. He is overall like a really good person, very kind.
Okay, great. Okay, us. Thank you, Sarah.
Us.
Us. So Navya Parulekar, this is her first camp. So Navya, I want to know how did you convince your parents to come here so that you can come here?
I was very stubborn and I promised them that I'll get good grades so that they leave me, and I worked hard for my unit test scores, and then I got good grades for the camp specially, and then they let me go. I'm in 8th grade and I study in St. Anne's School.
How was your experience? What were your feelings and your thoughts?
I was overwhelmed and I was not processing that I'm finally in camp. I could not process it.
That's
The food
provided.
is great, and there are options for the people who eat veg and non-veg, and the camp is really great, and it would teach you how to keep patience for the things you do in life, and it's really great. It's a really great experience. The rooms are really clean. We are provided with towels and everything, and the bathroom is really clean, and we are provided with a bed for sleeping, and an AC, blanket, TV, everything is there here. I would just say that I would recommend you 100% to come to camp, because it's a really great experience and the training is really good here. Us.
Thank you.
Us.
Us. So we have with us Ramona Gangaramani, who is a green belt. And my first question to you, Ramona, what is the similarity that you find between yourself and karate?
Myself in karate, my name actually means the protector or the savior.
Oh, wow.
So I found karate very befitting for that, and I've always wanted to learn something for self-defense and been a very physical person altogether, and lots of physical activity and lots of sports and games, and I think I just relate to karate a lot. Means the savior or the protector.
The savior or the protector, and that's Ramona's name, and that's why she thinks that actually this question also just came to me very spontaneously. Even I didn't know this, so that's great, Ramona.
So the practice on the initial few days, you always feel like it's very difficult, but then once camp starts to get over, or like as we end, the camp is ending, then we find it really sad that camp is getting over, and we remember the amount of fun we've had with everybody, even while training and while doing our exercises, the little fun and the little jokes that we have in between, we just remember them throughout. Winter grading camp, I got to spend time with a few of my friends, and also the training and the beach and the view while we're practicing is very nice. Kyokushin, I feel like I'm happy that I joined Kyokushin and not any other style of karate, because it just reminds me that we are capable of anything.
Great.
And it makes me feel like I can do anything and there's nothing that can stop me.
Anything else that you would like to share about Hanshi?
Hanshi, I've trained under Hanshi from the day I started, and we all really love his sessions and they're lots of fun, but he's also a very nice person throughout.
Okay, great. Thank you, Ramona.
Us.